In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a live Wix webpage as a PDF. This process is straightforward and can be incredibly useful if you need to quickly capture a web page for offline viewing or sharing. So let's dive right into the details. First, you need to navigate to the live page of the Wix website that you want to save. Open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you regularly use, and simply type in the website's address in the URL bar. If you already have the page bookmarked, go ahead and click on that bookmark to land on the page directly. Ensure the page is fully loaded, as this will ensure that everything you want to capture appears in the PDF. Once you're on the live page, you need to open the print dialog. Depending on your operating system, there's a quick keyboard shortcut to help you get there. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl and the letter P at the same time. If you're on a Mac, use CMD+P. Keyboard shortcuts are a handy trick to speed up your workflow, but if you prefer using the mouse, that's perfectly fine too. Just right-click anywhere on the page, and from the context menu that appears, select the Print option. This will open up the same print dialog box for you. Now, once you have the print dialog open, you'll need to change the destination from a printer to a PDF file. Look for where it says Destination or Printer. It's often located near the top of the dialog box. Click on it, and you should see an option in the list that says Save as PDF. This is what you're looking for. Select that option by clicking on it, which essentially tells your computer that instead of sending this document to a traditional printer, you want to save it as a PDF file on your device. Next, go ahead and click Save. A new window will pop up, allowing you to choose the destination on your computer where you want to save your file. Think about this carefully for a moment. Consider placing it in a folder where you'll remember it later, perhaps something like Web Page Archives or PDF Saves, in your Documents folder. Once you've decided on a location, go ahead and give your file a name. Make it something descriptive so you'll easily know what it contains when you see it in the future. That's it. You've successfully saved a Wix page as a PDF. Now you can view this page anytime without needing an internet connection, or you can share it with others as needed. Happy saving! And as always, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to let others know.